Hi. Java is a statically typed language, which means that we need to declare a variable before we can use it. We will talk about variables in other lecture. In this lecture, we want to learn about the different primitive data types that are used in Java. When we say primitive, it means the set of basic data types from which all other data types are constructed, and in Java, these primitive data types are predefined into the language as a reserved keywords, which means that we cannot create new types using the same keywords that are predefined by the language. Just I want to mention, this lecture needs that you understand about the number system, like bit, byte, and hexadecimal. If not, then watch my video about the number system, then come back to watch this lecture. So, Java has 8 primitive data types. The first one is byte data type. It is 8-bit. The number range that we can use is -128 and 127. This means that we cannot represent values less than -128 and greater than 127 using this data type. The next data type is short data type. This is a 16-bit data type, and it can represent numbers in the range -32,768 and 32,767. The next data type is int, for integer. This is a 32-bit data type, and it can represent range numbers from -2 raised to the power 31 and 2 to the power raised to the power 31 minus 1. The next data type is long. It is 64 data type and can represent range of number -2 raised to the power 63 and 2 raised to the power 63 minus 1. The next data type is float, which is a 32-bit, and it can represent floating point types with a big number, like we see. And the next data type is double, which is like float, but it is 64-bit. And it has range, this is a big range that you can see also. The next data type is Boolean. This data type has only possible 2 values, true or false. And the final data type is Char, for the character. This is a 16-bit and is used to represent Unicode characters from 0 to 65,535. Thank you for watching.